When developing an application with GeneXus, we can organize our objects into folders in the traditional and hierarchical approach provided by folders. But GeneXus also offers us another way of grouping our objects into categories. As an example, we could collect all objects that still need testing or that correspond to a certain developer in one category. So the category view will let us view our KB organized into categories, and we'll be able to view our KB state at any time. Let's create our for testing category, and we'll associate the objects for which testing is still pending to this category. In order to create a category from the category view, we place our mouse pointer over here and right-click New Category, and we assign it its name. So we've created our category. So to assign an object to this category, we'll return to the folder view, and we'll select our airline transaction and open its properties with F4. If we look at this lower section of the Properties panel, here we can associate this object to one or more categories. Let's type the category name. And by hitting Enter or pressing the Add Category button, our airline transaction will be associated to the For Testing category. If we now return to the category view, we can see that our transaction is now in fact associated with this category. If now we wanted to delete this transaction from the category, we could just select it and hit Delete, and we could right-click Remove. Besides this static manual way of creating categories and associating objects with them, GeneXus also lets us create categories in a dynamic way. There's a mechanism that's available, the full text search, which will let us search within our KB for all the objects that fulfill a certain search pattern or contain a certain value within their properties. The search result can then be saved automatically as a category. So let's define a search. We'll open the search window So let's enter over here the word or phrase that we'll use as a search pattern. We'll search for all objects that contain the word passenger somewhere. We press the search button and we can see our search result over here. Note that this button will let us save this result as a category. We'll create a category called Review, assuming that these objects still need to be checked. I click OK, and let's now verify that this review category has been created and that all objects have been associated to it automatically. We select the category view option, and we can see the category and its objects. Another possibility would be to run a search based on a value that the objects must fulfill in their properties. Let's open the search window once again, and we'll search for all transaction type objects. So we select the property object type, and here we'll enter the value the objects must have. We're searching for transaction type objects. So we select transaction, press the search button, and as a result we obtain all our transactions. We'll save it as a category called transactions. If we look into the category view, we can see our category and its associated transactions. To conclude, it's important to mention that this full-text search engine not only lets us run searches within the IDE, but can also be activated and extended for the end users of our generated applications.